Your 3-minute question and answer period for the Scotiabank Climate Action Challenge will now begin. How did you design your evaluation process to effectively measure your project's climate impact?
So the first thing that we did was we implemented a website, first of all, and with a lot of the impact that we have for a lot of people through our social medias, we highly encourage them to visit our website or our Facebook page and respond to give their feedback on what they thought of what we were doing and what they thought of the activities that we gave them and how they felt about climate change as a whole. We wanted to empower these people to take part in the whole climate change movement and actually give their feedback on what they thought we were doing well with the project, what they thought could be improved, and how they thought climate change was affecting them in their personal lives.
Did you engage any subject matter experts in the development of this project?
We didn't reach out per se. The entire aim of the project here is to educate people on what needs to be done and what we need to do in order to have a better tomorrow.
With COVID-19.
Yeah, there was a significant what's the word? There's significant I'm blank for words. There's a really big emphasis on the education part this year rather than the in-person sort of hands-on sort of learning. And so for that reason, we were very much just kind of get our information ourselves and then pass it along to those people to start those talks in their home about the climate change.
Do you have plans to scale your project? Why and how?
Yes, I think we do, especially for our near future, as it has never been more important now than ever to be focusing on climate action and the ongoing threat of climate change. This year with COVID-19, we definitely expanded into online learning and educating other people through the use of technology. And I think we are going to keep pursuing that as we are able to reach larger groups from further away and educate more people, which ultimately is our end goal, to educate as many people as possible.
What effects has your project had on greenhouse gas emissions, and how was that impact measured?
For our greenhouse gas emissions, we ended up reusing about 1,500 plastic bags, which takes out around 35 kilograms of plastic waste from the environment, thus reducing the greenhouse gas emissions that way. And plus, we also wanted to educate other parts in the world who aren't as aware of the effects of greenhouse gas emissions and climate change as a whole, to see just how little amount of plastic bags it takes to actually remove a huge amount of greenhouse gases.
Your time has now expired. Thank you, Enactus CNA Grand Falls-Windsor.